In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile number to your Shopify account. Having a phone number connected to your store is really important. It can be used for customer contact, security verification, and some app features. And it also makes your store look more trustworthy and professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to add or update your mobile number in your Shopify admin, and I'll explain what you should pay attention to along the way. First, sign into your Shopify admin account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main admin dashboard. This is the page where you normally see your orders, products, and analytics. From here, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new page where you can control all the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store, like billing, notifications, and store details. On the settings page, find the section labeled Store Details. Under this section, you should see information related to your store, such as the store name, contact email, and other basic details. Look for the area that refers to your store, often labeled something like My Store or Store Information. Move your mouse over that My Store section. When you hover over it, a small pencil icon should appear on the right side. That pencil icon means Edit. Click on the pencil icon to open the editable settings for your store details. After you click it, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up contains different fields that you can update, including the store name, address, and phone information. Take a moment to scroll if you need to, so you can see all the available fields. Within this pop-up, look for the text box labeled Store Phone or Phone Number. This is where you'll add your mobile number. Click inside that box and type your mobile number, including the country code if required. Make sure the number is accurate, because Shopify and some apps may use it to contact you or send important notifications. It's also a good idea to double-check the formatting recommended by Shopify for your country, so there are no issues with calls or messages. Once you've entered your mobile number and confirmed it's correct, look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the pop-up window. Click Save to apply your changes. Wait a moment for Shopify to update the information. After saving, your mobile number is now added to your Shopify account. You can close the pop-up and you're done.